Why your HVAC runs longer during mild Emerald Coast winters. December on the Emerald Coast may be milder than other regions, but many homeowners notice their HVAC systems running longer than expected. Even without freezing temperatures, your heater or air conditioner can seem to work non-stop. Understanding the reasons behind this can help you maintain comfort, reduce energy bills, and keep your system running efficiently. Why your HVAC runs more in mild winter. Humidity control. Even in mild weather, the coastal humidity can make your HVAC run longer to maintain indoor comfort. Temperature swings, daytime warmth and cooler nights create fluctuating indoor temperatures, causing frequent system operation. Dirty air filters, restricted airflow forces your HVAC to work harder, even in mild weather. Duct leaks or poor insulation, escaping warm or cool air increases runtime and energy costs. Thermostat settings or placement. Thermostats near sunlight, vents, or appliances may misread room temperatures, prompting unnecessary cycles. Simple tips to reduce HVAC runtime. Check and replace air filters. Clean filters improve airflow and efficiency. Inspect thermostat placement. Avoid direct sunlight, vents, or heat sources nearby. Seal drafts and improve insulation. Keep conditioned air inside and unconditioned air outside. Adjust thermostat settings. Small changes or programmable schedules can reduce runtime. When to call the experts. If your HVAC system continues running excessively despite these adjustments, professional inspection is the best way to prevent high energy bills, system wear, or potential breakdowns. Let Air Serv of the Emerald Coast help. At Air Serv of the Emerald Coast, our technicians specialize in diagnosing HVAC systems that run too long. From duct inspections and thermostat calibration to full system maintenance, we ensure your home stays comfortable and energy efficient all winter. Contact us today for a checkup.